welcome to our channel! Ayan, finally, we are going to unbox all these gifts from
Little Leuvy.
Yes! So come on! So ayan, medyo matagal na talaga kaming hindi nakapag-unbox ng mga padala from Little Leuvy. So today, we are going to show to you kung ano yung mga laman ng mga pinadala ni Little Leuvy for our Ate Mia from their different collections last year and also this year. So, like this video and
Click the subscribe button.
yes, and please watch until the end because we are going to give you a big and beautiful surprise just for you. So, this time, what we're going to do, Ate Mia?
Open the boxes.
Alright, so let's open the boxes. And since medyo maliit yung space namin kasi makalat pa yung bahay namin, so ibaba muna natin yung iba. Ayan. Let's start with this one. So, this box was given to Ate Mia during her birthday last year.
Birthday.
Yes, your birthday last year pa. So, ayan. So, let's see what's here. So, this is a DIY starter kit. So, para siyang mga craft materials if you would like to do your own mga hair bows and hair accessories.
And you can use the hot glue.
Yes! So, alam nila kasi nakita na nila yung laman. So, we are just here to show it sa inyo kung ano yung mga laman nito. So, we're going to check it out.
Hot glue. You can need your mom and dad to help it.
Yes! So, what is it?
Hot glue.
No, that's not the hot glue. That's the glue gun.
Glue gun, but it's very hot.
No, yes. No, yes. Yes, it's very hot. And when you are going to use this, you need to ask the
Your
help of your...
Mom and dad.
Yes. And these are the
Sticks.
stick glues.
Stick glues.
So, ito yung gagamitin natin. Ayan, pangbala ng glue gun. Para, we could,
What
create
is
some, dyan mo ipasok yung, yung glue. This one, the
Ah.
stick glue. So, actually, hindi pa nakatry si Mia ng glue gun and all. Feel niya lang. So, we have glue gun. We have stick glues. Ano ito? What are these? Can you show it to me?
Decoration.
Can you open what are those decorations? Ah, yes, assorted decoratives. So, meron
We
tayong...
have them.
What is this?
Star, diamond, unicorn.
Yes, ano sila? Yung parang you could... Saan ba ito ilagay? Pwede siya sa hair bow, pwede siya sa... Ano yun natin? Bracelets. Or yeah, you can use it also as decoratives for headband. And then we have here... Anong tawag nito? Flowers.
Flowers for decoration in the headband.
Yeah. You can do it. And then, we have here, ito, mga metals for
Headband.
ayan. So, ayan, madami din ito. Which is very cool.
Look behind.
And we also have, ano ba tawag nito? Alligator clips. Ayan, for...
You can clip it on your hair.
yeah, this is for hair bows. Ayan. And then, meron ding mga elastics. This is good pag meron kayong mga newborn babies. This is very safe.
You can wear it. You can wear it on your head.
Yes, of course.
It's stretchy.
Yes, it's stretchy. Very soft, which is really good for babies.
And we have this.
So, what are those? Working sheets.
Working sheets.
So, they are...
Sir, they have so many colors. There's sparkly,
Sparkly pink?
yeah, and blue sparkly.
Oh, you haven't shown it to them. You show it to them first.
This is the blue sparkly. And the gray one.
Yeah.
See? Also the light blue.
Another.
And another light pink that sparkles.
Ito may lace.
My lace is a pink. Now we have a yellow sparkles.
And I think these ones are glow in the darks.
Yeah! Oh, we have a rainbow.
Is it rainbow or mermaid color?
It looks like the mermaid rainbow.
Yeah. And then, meron din tayo here mga stencils, die-cut stencils. Ito yung mga patterns. If you're going to create a hair bow designs.
Yeah, you use them. Here's a bow. Oh, this looks
Yeah.
like eyeglasses.
No, it's for the bow. And this one, I think, is for the unicorn something. So, die-cut. You could easily use this if you have like a die-cut machines, if I'm not mistaken. But you could put it in manual.
But you can, there's a horn in here.
Yeah. That's for ano. So, ito yung mga laman ng ating DIY starter kit. And I think, maraming ganitong packages si Little Leuvy sa Shopee nila. Or you could just reach out to them on Instagram or on Facebook. I think price starts at 300 pesos if I am not mistaken, which is very, very sulit na. And if you knew Little Leuvy, they are so very generous, just like this one. Sobrang ang dami nito. So, I don't know. I haven't tried using them yet, but I don't know if, siguro depende sa size, kung you could create like a 1 or 2 hair bows out from this one. So very, very sulit. And it's a good bonding experience for, you know, mom and daughter bonding experience with your little princess. And then it's also educational, very creative, and yes, very fun. Yeah, this is a very good DIY starter kit. Maganda din siya if you plan to you know, do business in bow making. So this is perfect for you to start your business, to practice, and yeah.
Next one, Mommy, please.
Okay, so the next one is this very beautiful collection. Another collection, I think it's November and December collection ng Little Leuvy. This is a beautiful tote bag designed by Ate
Leuvy.
Yes, si Ate Leuvy mismo from Little Leuvy ang nag-design nito. Ayan. So, it's a cartoon character.
It's sparkle.
Yeah, it's sparkly. And then, this is customized kasi my name ni
Mia.
and who is Mia? Yes. So, go. Show them what's inside. The first one is...
This.
Shanan! What is that?
A box full with bows. And it has a name, Mia.
Baliktad. Can you show it like this? Ayan. Mia. So, show it to them.
So we got the sparkly
Bow.
and bow.
The flowery bow. Yes.
You can arrange them like this. Now they're still sticky.
Yeah. And then, another one is, this is from their Christmas collection, which is also so beautiful. It comes with a,
Mia name.
yes, customized box. Show them what's inside. Oh, you just sit down kasi hindi ka na makita. Shada!
A Christmas ball comes with my name again.
Yes. And ano yung sa loob?
Bows. You
It's-
can't get them out.
You can actually get them out.
How?
So you just have to open it like this.
Oh, I can see myself in this bow.
Then,
Push it like that. And how do we open it? More like an egg.
ah.
We opened the Christmas.
Oh, you show them your bow. It's a Christmas bow. Yee, it's so beautiful and so sparkly, right? Manyan. Bloopers. Yee.
How you can also put it back.
Yes. So this was, we received this last Christmas, and I think ito yung November and December collection nila, which is definitely so beautiful. Right, Ate Mia?
Yes.
So do you like it?
Yep. I'm gonna put the bows back.
Can you do it?
Yeah.
You really think so?
Might this bow stay in there? There.
So, whenever you receive a gift box from Tita Beng of Little Leuvy, how do you feel?
I'm so excited.
And do you always like the Little Leuvy collections?
Yep.
Because they are?
Beautiful.
Yes, definitely. Kahit ako, mga mamis, ayan, suot-suot ko, Little Leuvy din. Because definitely, hindi lang sila maganda. Ang ganda din ng quality nila. It could definitely last. Let's go to their January and February collection. So, the first one is, ayan. Ito yung mga boxes na pinakita ko sa IG stories namin if you are following us on our Instagram account, which is Mom's Daily Life. And yung Instagram nila ni Ate Mia and Kuya Renz and Baby Matt is Mom's Daily Gift. Don't forget to follow us on social media. So, ito yung first ever Little Leuvy box na na-receive namin na which is definitely for me. Kanina ito?
For Mommy Fly.
Yes, it's for me and I'm so pretty excited. So, let's open this one. Ta-da! It's a beautiful
Bag full of
pouch.
anything.
Tapos may pangalan. It's personalized. Mommy Fly. So,
And there's so many pinkets on it.
pink
We
it.
got purple.
Purple
That's-
scrunchies.
And now green.
Green. And then,
Blue. So that's this one.
yeah. And,
Yellow.
yeah. Ito yung mga scrunchies nila na...
You can also put some water on it. They change color.
Yes. They are yung... Ano ba tawag nun? Basta nag-change sila ng kulay pag nababasa sila. So, they are actually beautiful. Kasi alam niyo naman, mga mommies, mom bun is our hairstyle. So, ayan, mura lang po ito. And they are so very gorgeous. And so, and it's really with good quality. What are you doing? And of course, the last one is this very cute box, which is from their Valentine's Day collection.
Yes, it's Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
No, it's Valentine's.
Valentine's.
Alright, whatever. Do it again. Ew. Okay, so I'm gonna show you their Valentine's Day collection, which is a 2-in-1 ponytail and ano tawag nito? Bog charm. And they are also personalized. Yan. Ta-da!
And look at this bow with a heart.
Bow with a heart. Yeah. Let's show it to them. So this is actually a
Here's the
ponytail.
heart.
Ayan. And there's the heart. Pwede din siyang gawing mirror. Tapos may nakalagay siya na name. Ayan.
Or you can wear it like this.
Yeah, it's actually a bug charm. Use it as decorative on your bags, which is definitely best for us mommies.
Oh, Mom.
So,
There's
ayan.
an opener here.
Yes. You could, put it in your bag. Sabit-sabit. Just like that.
Oh. I can totally put it on your bag.
Yeah.
Like you can-
So, ayan. Actually, Little Leuvy is not just for your little princess. It's actually for both mommy and, it's actually both for mommy and daughter. And, actually, they also have boy collections. In fact, they actually have boy collections. So, yeah. So, we are finally done unboxing our,
Little Leuvy.
yes, Little Leuvy collections so far. And, ayan, nakikita nyo naman po, they're definitely a beautiful collections from Little Leuvy. So, ayan, Little Leuvy, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Tita Beng and Ate Leuvy.
So, as promised, we are going to have a giveaway, beautiful giveaway for all of you, right, Ate Mia?
Yes.
And are you excited?
Yes.
Yes, this is pretty exciting because we are going to give you kung ano yung gusto nyo from these collections na pinakita namin sa inyo. So, you can actually choose. Isn't it amazing?
Yes.
Yes! So yes, all you have to do is, number 1, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Number 2, like this video. And number 3, comment on our social media post because we're going to do a poster on either our Facebook or our Instagram account. Just comment there kung ano or alin dito ng mga collections ang gusto nyo na magkaroon kayo. Thank you so much for watching again. Don't forget to like this video and
Subscribe to our channel.
yes, that's all for today.